Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the weekly show with Yuan. Let's talk about the Pentagon leaks. According to recent reports, dozens of classified intelligence files have mysteriously appeared on the internet, being spread around like a popular game on Discord. Now the US authorities have arrested a suspect that leaked the documents online. Meanwhile, officials from other countries are assessing the damage, and some are even wondering, could these leaked files possibly be seen by even more people? Because these files not only revealed how the US provoked the Russian-Ukrainian war, but exposed details of America's spying activities on both friends and enemies. Guys, this is not just a minor leak. This is like another Oscars of the intelligence world. Take a look. A nation country was forced to provide ammunition for Ukraine without angering Moscow, while a NATO ally might be helping Russia against Ukraine. The leaked files also reveal how the US monitors its own allies. Just imagine the US eavesdropping on its allies using advanced satellite technology, sitting on the couch with popcorn. Who says spying only exists in movies? They might be checking your conversations, your emails, your Twitter DMs, even the goodnight text you sent to your mom. They're so desperate to know all your secrets so they can pull out the trump card at the right moment. You might be like, how could you do this to me? We're your allies. Then the US goes, allies? I thought you were my vassals. Now the response from the international community has been varied. Some countries said this leak is not enough to shake their alliance with the US. They're like, yeah, he snooped through my phone, but I still love him. Nothing says partnership like a little bit of espionage. Some countries are demanding an explanation from the United States, but so far, they've received nothing more than a sound of crickets. Other countries are claiming that the leaked intelligence isn't accurate. It's like someone getting caught with their hand in the cookie jar, and they say, no, that's not accurate. I was just, making sure the cookies were still there. For such a political whirlwind, we cannot help but ask, where are you, Hollywood? I mean, it's a perfect script with spies, politics, technology, and war. All the essential elements of a Hollywood blockbuster. But that's right. Who needs spy movies when you can watch real-life espionage on social media? That's it for tonight's show. Just like the old saying goes, when lies become the truth becomes a punchline. Have a good night.